Welcome, and thank you for purchasing Adea's all-in-one security platform powered by Judy. Hello, my name is Dale, and I'm the Director of Customer Success here at Judy Security. And in today's video, I will explain to you how to enable the passwordless login feature within Judy's mobile app. But before we get started, please be sure to like and subscribe to Adea's YouTube channel so that you can keep up with Judy's growth in real time. So let's get started. If you haven't already, the first thing you're going to want to do is to download Judy's mobile app from the App Store or the Google Play Store. Android users, please note that if you currently have any version of Judy's mobile app, please uninstall that version and reinstall with the newest version contained in the Google Play Store. Once you've successfully downloaded the app, you're going to log in as standard using your username, 2FA code, along with your master password. And Judy is going to email as well as text a 2FA code. And once you've successfully logged in, you're going to go to the settings icon and you're going to turn on the biometric, passcode, as well as passwordless login. And you'll do them from top to bottom, just in this order. After that, you're ready to utilize the passwordless login feature. I am now working directly in my browser and I'm attempting to log in. And instead of having to put in a master password, what is going to happen is Judy's going to push an access notification directly to the app. And I'm going to approve it. And now that I have approved the request, I now have access to the password manager and single sign-on features within my browser. Also, one thing I wanted to point out as well, you want to make sure that you're, of course, logged into the app in order to receive that notification. And there you have it. So you have successfully enabled Judy's passwordless login feature. Look for part 2 of the series that will show the login process from a browser point of view. If you have any additional questions or if you would like to request any additional video tutorials, please feel free to send an email directly to support@adeasecurity.com. Once again, my name is Dale, and thank you for joining.